Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. In this video, we're going to be cooking. I'm going to share with you my recipe on how I prepare eggs to eat with ugali, rice, or chapati. These are the ingredients you need to prepare this recipe. Cooking oil, 1 large onion, 1 green pepper, 2 large tomatoes, paprika, salt. Did I say eggs? 4 eggs. That's all. So let's go on and cook. And by the way, the portions of the ingredients depends on how many people you're going to cook for. Okay? So we're going to fry our eggs the kawaida way, just as you can see. I'm going to flip the egg so that it can cook on the other side. Don't worry if your egg is not perfect. Later we'll need the egg in small pieces, so it's still a win. The eggs have already cooked, so now we're going to fry them together with onions and tomatoes. So put your onions on the pan and add some oil. I'm used to eyeballing the size of oil that I use in cooking. I don't know how you guys do it, so let me know in the comment section how you measure your cooking oil. Fry your onions until they are translucent. Don't wait for them to turn into golden brown. Then add your tomatoes and green pepper. At this point, you also add salt and paprika. After adding some paprika, you now go ahead and stir the food. Make sure you stir it thoroughly, then cover it to simmer. At this point, I'll go ahead and mash the tomatoes until they form a puree. Look at that. It looks so yummy. Na ni nyanya tu. I'll now go ahead and take the container that I used to beat the eggs and add some water. I'll rinse it off and then add the water into the pan. So I'm not going to waste any product, by the way. Inside the pan. Then I go ahead and cut them into small pieces. Then stir. It's an easy recipe, by the way, and you can do it in less than 10 minutes. I'm just going to cover it for 30 seconds and then it's done. Wow, just look at those eggs. Aren't they delicious? Let me know your thoughts on the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share. Until the next one, bye-bye.